Hi friends, welcome to Series Techniques. Today we are going to see multiple methods. That means in single class we can able to write multiple methods. You can see this is one method, this is one method, this is another method, and this is another method. In single class we can write multiple methods, and method names can be same or different. Like method names can be same. Here you can see method 1. The names can be same are different. Here method name is main, here method name is method 1, here method name is method 2. So method names can also be different. If method names are same, then the arguments or parameters should be different. Here the arguments, so see, this is the method 1, this is the method 1. So the method names are same, but the arguments that we are giving inside these brackets are different. This method 1 does not have any parameters, but this method 1 have parameters of integer type a. So like that we can write multiple methods. So if I can copy here, paste and change the method parameter like this. So now the parameters are different. This is valid in Java. Three methods with same method name but different arguments. If method names are different, then no need to check argument parameters. So here method 1 name is different, method 2 name is different. So we no need to verify whether the arguments are same or not. And what is argument or parameter? So it is the input for that particular method. That means here main, this is the argument, string array type of arguments. So this is the input for this main method. Similarly, for this method 1, there is no input. For this method, we need one integer type argument, and for this method we need one string type argument, and for this method we don't need any arguments. So it is the input for this method. And the next thing is the methods can interact with each other. That means from this main method we can able to call method 1 with integer parameter, method 1 with a string parameter, and method 2. Let's call. Here I am calling method 1. Here I am calling method 1 with integer parameter. Here I am calling method 1 with string parameter, and I can also call method 2. The methods can interact with each other. In main method we are making a call to method 1. That means it goes to the method 1 and execute this particular block of code, but for now there is no code. I will be writing it soon. And I can also call another method with the integer parameter. I can also call method 1 with a string parameter. I can also call method 2. That means from main method I am calling every method below. The execution will be when we are making a call to another method. Let's say here main method is making a call to method 1. That time main method is a calling method and method 1 is a called method. That means from main method, method 1 is getting called. When this particular line of code executing, it will be making a call to method 1. That means the execution point will go here and it will execute this particular block of code. Once this block of code is executed, then it will return back to this particular method 1, and then it will make another call, method 1 with integer parameter. It will go to the method 1 integer parameter and it will execute this block of code. If it is completed, it will come back and it will again call this particular method. Similarly, once this method is completed, then it will call method 2. Once this method is completed, then the main method also is completed. Let's write some code. I have written a basic statements, something like method 1 is executing, method 1 with integer parameter is executing, method 1 with a string parameter executing, method 2 is executing. I just wanted to explain you how methods are communicating with each other. Let's execute this. Here you can see first it make a call to method 1. It went to the method 1 and it executed the method 1 is executing. Once this block is completed, it came back again here and called the another method with method 1 with integer parameter. So here it got printed method 1 with integer parameter executing, and then once this method 1 is method 1 with integer parameter is executed fully, it came back here and it make a call to this particular method with string parameter. It will go to this particular cursor and it executed method 1 with string parameter. Here you can see, and once this method 1 is completed executing, it went to this particular main method and make a call to method 2. Here it come to the method 2 and method 2 is executing. So this is how we can make a call from one method to another method. So there is another concern, like Are we making call only from main method? No, it is not like that. We can make call from method 1 to method 2 as well. We can make call from method 1 integer parameter to method 1 string parameter as well. How exactly it works? Let's run it. You can see now from main method, method 1 is get called. It went to the method 1. It printed this particular line of code. Method 1 is executing, and then next line it is a call to method 2. It went to the method 2 block and executed. Method 2 is executing. You can see first method 1 is executing, then method 2 is executing. How? From main method, method 1 get called. From method 1, method 2 get called. In method 2 it is printing. Once this method 2 is completed execution, it come back to the method 1, and once this method 1 is getting executed, it will come back to here, and then it make a call to method 1. The overall topic is very simple. We can have multiple methods in single class, and if method name is same, the parameters or arguments should be different, and if method names are different, then we no need to verify about the arguments or parameters. And third one is we can make a call from one method to another method, that is method interactions can be done. Hope you are understood with the concept. If you have any concerns, please make a comment. I will try to address it. Thanks for watching.